Are you looking for the best budget dash cam? In this video we will look at some of the best budget dash cam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Deelife 4K Dash Cam. The Deelife 4K Dash Cam is a reliable device that aligns well with the context of the previous paragraph. Designed specifically for car users, the Deelife 4K Dash Cam serves as a powerful camera recorder and black box, ensuring safety and capturing important moments on the road. With its 4K resolution capability, the Deelife Dashcam records high-quality videos that provide clear and detailed footage of any incidents or events that may occur while driving. This ensures that important details are captured accurately, supporting drivers in case of disputes or insurance claims. Number 2. KAWA HD Dash Cam. The KAWA HD Dash Cam is a feature-packed device that fits well within the context of the previous paragraph. Specifically designed for car users, the KAWA HD Dash Cam serves as a reliable car DVR camera, capturing high-definition videos and providing advanced features to enhance the driving experience. With its 2K 1440p HD resolution, the KAWA Dashcam records videos with exceptional clarity and sharpness, ensuring important details are captured accurately. This high-resolution capability allows for clear visibility of any incidents or events on the road, providing valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Number 3. Asawin H5C. The Asawin H5C is an innovative dashcam that complements the context of the previous paragraph. Designed specifically to be mounted on the rear-view mirror, this dashcam offers a front and back dual-lens setup, providing comprehensive coverage of the surroundings of the vehicle. With its full-screen touch IPS display, the Asawin H5C offers a user-friendly interface for easy navigation and control of settings. This intuitive touch functionality enhances the user experience by allowing quick access to features and settings. Equipped with a 24-hour parking mode, the Asawin H5C ensures the continuous monitoring of the vehicle even when it is parked. Number 4. 70mm Dashcam Omni X200. The 70mm Dashcam Omni X200 is an advanced device that complements the context of the previous paragraph. This dashcam offers a 360 degrees full view, providing comprehensive coverage of the surroundings of the vehicle. Equipped with built-in GPS and ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, technology, the 70mm Dashcam Omni X200 offers advanced features that enhance the driving experience. The GPS feature allows for accurate positioning and recording of the vehicle's speed and location, while the ADAS technology provides real-time alerts and warnings to assist the driver in potential collision scenarios. Number 5. AZDOME M553 Channel Dash Cam. The AZDOME M553 Channel Dash Cam is a versatile device that aligns well with the context of the previous paragraph. Designed to provide comprehensive coverage of the vehicle, this dashcam offers front, inside, and rear-facing cameras, enabling a three-way view of the surroundings. With its 4K plus 1080p dual-channel resolution, the AZDOME M captures high-quality videos that deliver exceptional clarity and detail. This ensures that every important moment the road is recorded accurately, whether it's capturing incidents, documenting scenic drives, or capturing moments during road trips.